Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Andra, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a first impression on some skincare products. So a few months ago I got contacted by a company asking me if I wanted to try some skincare products, and I looked over their website. I saw that they had an Aliexpress store, which is amazing because they ship everywhere in the world pretty much, and surprisingly they came very fast. So I looked online and I saw that they had a lot of things to choose from, and I wanted to get some things for my eyes and some things for my acne because, as you can see, I do have some acne scars. If you're new to my channel or you have not been watching me for a while, I have been battling acne for a very long time. I do have some acne marks and freckles. I don't hate my freckles, but acne marks on top of freckles, it doesn't really look good because I feel like I have a lot of discoloration and hyperpigmentation and all those things, and it doesn't look even. So I've been trying to use some whitening creams, which were okay for the moment, but nothing that really surprised me. Did I even mention the brand's name? I think I am very tired. So the brand is called Lanbena. I think that's how you pronounce it. And this first product, it's Snail Repair Facial Cream. It's pretty small. It does have 1.06 fluid ounces or 30 grams. It's very nice. It's very sleek. It does come wrapped. This is good for moisturizing, but also for brightening the face. So this is supposed to help me with my acne marks. I like the packaging. It looks very sleek and it's kind of clear, but it's soft and blurry. I like it. It's very nice. Let's open the rest. Here I have the Lanbena Gold Silk Serum. Improves dark complexion, removes melanin, whitening the skin, keeping it firm and elastic. Amazing, sounds great. I did a video about Aliexpress in Romanian and I get tons and tons of questions. I think it's my most watched video, and I always tell my followers to be very careful. Read the description, read the reviews, try search online if you can before you buy it. So it comes with a little dropper. Ooh, what's inside? Wow, it has a very weird consistency inside. Okay, so this is very interesting. It looks very nice, and here it does have these metal beads so you can massage underneath the eye. And the last one is for scar and acne mark removal. This is, I think, the real deal. The other one, the whitening cream, I think it's gonna be good, but this, I'm very excited. So I'm gonna be doing a first impression today, but after a few months, after I finish the product, I'm gonna come back in the description box and leave my thoughts, because I think it's important to have a follow-up, because you can't judge a product just based on the first impression. You have to see how it works in time. So that's why I'm gonna come back when I finish the product in the description box, at the top of the description box. So I'm gonna tell you how I feel about it. Soften the scar tissue, promote the skin's natural renewal and healing. Yeah, so quickly heals the scar, regulate the oil secretion of the skin, prevent the redness, swelling caused by the sun, as well as scar inflammation and hardening, and shorten the scabbing time. Wow, so this is really cool. I like how it looks, and it's a squeezy tube. So I'm gonna first, I don't even know what order, so I think I'm gonna use this first, then I'm gonna use the serum, then the cream, and then the eye cream. I want to do a little close-up so you can see my skin. I do have freckles and some acne marks, as you can very well see, but this is my skin. Okay, so this is clear and it smells very interesting. It's not something that bothers me, but it does have a scent. I don't really know what scent is this, but it doesn't smell bad, so that's good. And I make sure I massage everywhere. Maybe I'm just gonna take slightly more and put right here in the center where I have most of my freckles and scarring. Okay, it feels really nice and it got into the skin. Now it's a little bit tacky, but not too much. It feels good. I don't feel like it's tightening or anything. It feels good. I don't have very sensitive skin. I do have oily skin and acne prone skin. So that's that. I don't get red or inflammations very easily, but yeah, it got into the skin pretty fast. So I think you could even use this in the morning because it's not a thick moisturizing layer. It's just got into the skin very fast. Now I'm gonna use a little bit of this serum, which has a very interesting consistency. Put it into my palm. So I put a whole dropper. Wow, it smells really nice. I'm curious to see what happens with those gold worms inside. I think it just, yeah, it melts into the skin. Probably I should have gotten a hair tie, but it's okay. I do have an open scar right here and I can feel something, but it's nothing that's bothering me. Wow, that's a interesting consistency. I didn't expect that. So I don't know if you can see that. It's really weird. I've never had a cream like this. See that? Wow. It smells very, very good. A typical moisturizer. I like it, and it's very, very nice. Wow. I'm gonna try and put it around my eye and see if it does have any irritation, because sometimes when I use a face cream I get it around my eyes and then my eyes start watering and tearing up, but this, I don't feel anything. But the consistency, it's very weird. You see that? What? That's a very weird consistency. My skin feels so good. I like that it doesn't stay on top of the skin. It's absorbed very, very fast. So I'm just, whoop, I'm pressing a little bit and the product got out, as you can see, and I'm trying to massage around the eye, going down like this. Okay. I really like this. It's very, very relaxing. That's why I'm talking so slow. For this scar and acne removal gel, it says here to use several times a day. So in order to see some progress, you have to use this. So I'm gonna try and use it in the morning and at night, and sometimes if I'm at home and I don't have makeup on, I'm gonna use it throughout the day because I want to see some progress. I really, really do. I think this is very promising. Overall, I'm very impressed with this. I was kind of skeptical in the beginning because they came from Aliexpress and I didn't really know much about the brand, but I'm actually very, very impressed. I like how they feel. I like how fast they absorb. The scent is nothing that's bothering me. This eye cream absorbs super fast and I feel this area, it's very, very moisturized. I am super excited about this acne removal thingy. I think that's pretty much everything I wanted to say in this video. As I said, don't forget to check the description box for all the links and my thoughts about the product. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye!